Good morning, students. Children, we are going to start with theme 4 from your workbook. And now we are going to do worksheet number 1. In worksheet number 1, in the first question, there is a poem given and you have to read the poem carefully and find out the questions which are given at the next page. So, after reading the poem, you have to answer these questions. Let us read the poem. It is question number A1. Read this poem and answer the questions that follow. From a railway carriage and written by the famous poet Robert Louis Stevenson. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. All of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving train. And ever again, in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and here is the green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. So this poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Now children, this poem talks about the railway carriage. Means from a railway carriage means the child is sitting in the train. Railway carriage, it's a carriage means the bogies or the compartment of the train. And he is sitting and he is looking outside as we all do, and he is seeing many things which he is enjoying. And you can see the rhythm is like as if the train is moving with the beat of the train, you know, the engine moves in the beat. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, you know, the train also moves in a beat, the engine moves. Bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, charging along like troops in a battle, like battle soldiers are moving, and similarly this train is as if marching along. And through the meadows, through the fields, the horses are there in the field, grazing, cattle, all the sides of the hill and plain, hills also, plains also, fly as thick as driving rain, and then moving in the rain, and ever in the wink of an eye. Wink of an eye means when just you close and open your eye lid, that is within a second all these sceneries are moving away, and the painted station means the beautiful colorful stations are moving away, whistling by, the train is moving. Here is a child who is sitting and trying to gather something, and tramp and gazing, and then the cart full of all these things have been explained. So in this poem, the poet shares his experience of his first railway journey. He is amazed by the speed of the train. He says that the speed of the train is faster than the speed of the witches and the fairies. It runs so fast that the bridges, houses, rows of thorny plants and ditches pass by a moment. It goes forward as quickly as army soldiers attack the enemy in the battlefield. The train runs through common grassy lands and where horses and cattle are grazing. Many colorful buildings of stations appear and disappear in a glance due to the speed of the train. Poet sees a child climbing up a steep ground. He moves with difficulty and gathers blackberries like child climbing and then falling off, isn't it? He also sees homeless person looking at the train with amazement. They are just surprised to see. He sees some women making garlands of daisies, hard daisies in a common grassy field, village land. And in the middle of the road there is a cart with load. Due to heavy load, it was moving awkwardly. The cart, man was sitting on the load. He also sees a river and a flour mill. All these scenes appeared and disappeared in a moment. Okay. So this is the poem. Now you have to answer few questions. 4 questions are given. Children, I have written the answers on the board. Please write your own answers and then check the answers, because you are asked. This is an unseen poem given to you. You just have to read the poem and find the answer from the poem itself. What is faster than fairies or witches? As I discussed, the speed of the train is faster than fairies or witches. Fairies, you know, the people who does good for us, and witches are those magical things, bad magic and good. So as the fairies and witches which we have read in the stories move, the train moves much faster than that. Okay, so the speed of the train is faster than fairies and witches. Coming to the second question, what are some of the things that the speaker sees from the railway carriage? From the rail, as he was sitting in the railway compartment, what are the things he has seen? The speaker sees bridges, houses, rows of thorny plants and ditches. Ditches are the drain. So he sees many things. You can write many things. The speaker sees bridges, houses, rows of thorny plants and ditches. Coming to the third question, to what have the horses and cattle been compared? Explain the comparison. The horses and the cattle have been compared to the train, the speed of the train. Okay. As the horses and cattle are enjoying in the meadows, even the train is passing through the meadows. Okay. Coming to the fourth question, what is the child doing? And the child is climbing a steep ground with difficulty. A steep ground is trying to climb. It is mentioned here a child who clambers and scrambles, try to climb and then falls, and all by himself gathering back. So the child is climbing a steep ground with difficulty. So these are all your answers. Please write it in your workbook, children. Thank you.